Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix this song is currently unavailable in Instagram. So first of all, we need to update our Insta application. So for that, open Play Store and tap on this search icon and type here Instagram. And if you see any update available here, then you will need to download the update. And the second method is to fix the problem. You'll need to use a VPN. So go to Play Store and you can download any VPN and connect your VPN and check the problem is fixed or not. And the last method to fix this problem, open your device settings and scroll down, tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on permissions, and from here you'll need to disable location permission. So if it's enabled, you have to disable this. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.